Learning English speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
On a sunny day in the spring, the 12th grade students in the department gathered to celebrate the birthday of their beloved teacher, who considered them like his little children. Professor Eric had been teaching them for several years, and had a special relationship with them. Preparation for the celebration began with several secret meetings in the department, where the students made a detailed plan for the big day. Some decided to decorate the classroom with bright colors and balloons, while others made colorful greeting cards and drew beautiful pictures of Professor Eric. They also had another secret mission, which was to bake the birthday cake. Students teamed up in the school kitchen and began mixing ingredients and baking the cake. The delicious smells were filling the school, and they were excited to present the delicious cake to their teacher. Over the days, they began collecting small gifts that they carefully selected for Professor Eric. The gifts were varied, from books to flowers and sentimental cards. On the day of the celebration, students gathered in the department after studying. They served the delicious cake and cut the cake with colorful candles and sang "Happy Birthday" to their teacher. The professor laughed and seemed very happy with their surprise. Afterwards, Mr. Eric received his gifts from the students and read some of the sweet letters they wrote to him. He felt proud and deeply grateful for their love and appreciation. The day ended with joy and happiness, and this moment was a reminder to everyone of the importance of human relations and the power of solidarity and love in the school community. Although the celebration has ended, the memory of this wonderful day will remain eternal in the hearts of the students and Eric.
For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.